Welcome guys. In this project we will work on a complete house project. We start from wall until the finish. Type U and enter to change the unit what you want. Okay, and now I have already a cut drawing, and then I will insert this, and now I need to give it scale. So as you know, the door will be 90 centimeter, so I'm going to give the scale from here. Click here and click in this point, the second point, and now type how much is this. 90 centimeter. Now I changed the scale, and this is the real dimension that I have. So let's check. I'm going to move it this in center and make it pin in here, and now you can select there. So now let's check. 90 centimeter. So let's check to the horizontal. The door is almost 19. It's 19. This is how we give the scale when we insert the cut file. So let's check the wall width. 13 centimeter. So go to architect and select wall, and I'm going to choose a wall from here, maybe generic, this one. And now from here duplicate the wall and give it the name. I'm gonna give it exterior wall. Okay, and now from here setting thickness for 13 centimeter and change the material. Click in here and create new material. I'm gonna create a new material by myself, and then right click, rename, and add exterior wall, and check this box, and then the appearance, click here, and then click from here, and now I'm going to choose the material for my wall. Maybe exterior, this one, or apply and okay. So now I'm going to start from here. And continue until the wall finish. As you can see, I choose the center line by, and now go to the elevation and select the height of the wall. On this project, this is 4 meters, so I'm choose it 4. And now I'm going to create for second floor on another level, and just click in here. Oops. Click yeah, now 8 meters. Okay, this is the exterior wall. And now I'm going to draw a line in here for parking area. This is just a tutorial. I'm not going to work very carefully, so if you have a real project, you have to work very careful. So now I'm going to draw a column, and then select column, and then from here duplicate and give it a name. In this case my column is 30 by 30. Okay, as you can see, they are 30 by 30. Okay, and one in here, maybe in here, and then I want to make it copy. Here, yeah, and now continue like that. After finish the column, and now this is the time to create the floor. So select floor, and from here floor, I'm going to duplicate and just give it a name, floor for living room. Yeah, I did the material and thickness maybe 15 centimeter. Okay, and now how to create using line or rectangular, it's up to you. I'm going to use line. I create the floor for different area by different name because this is different. Later I will choose the different material for living room and for bedroom or maybe toilet. This is different material, so that's why I am creating a different name and different material. Okay, this is the floor for the living room. So now for the kitchen, and later I will change the material. Again, come here, duplicate, kitchen, okay. Again, I'm going to use line. Start from here, that finish. Yeah. So try to not put a gap inside this two floor. Then okay, this is the floor for the kitchen. As you can see, you can create, it's easy, you can continue and create for the all. As you can see, this is the different how we create the floor. If you learn one of them how to create, and then the second you can easily create the floor. So after I created a floor for all of them, now I'm going to choose the material for each one by one. So the method is the same, just follow. If you know one of them, you can change for all of the floor the material. So just be careful for one of them, copy, and from here material, flooring. Because this is a floor, I have to choose some material from flooring or maybe stone. Yeah, because it's outside. Apply and okay. This is how we create the floor. The same as I created for the outside. It's the same method. Try to give for everyone different name and create a material. Check this box, and then when you can copy in here and then click another for material. This material for kitchen. You can see this is for kitchen. The tile is looks so small. No, it's okay. For the living room, again create new material, rename, and then check this box and then copy this and select material from here. Maybe like this wood. Yeah, just continue like that. It's so easy. See you the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.